Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. TikTok lets you reply to a comment with videos, making interactions more fun and engaging, and here's how to do it. First thing first, go to one of your TikTok videos and choose the comment you want to reply to. Underneath the comment, tap the reply button. Tap the record icon next to the text box to start recording your video reply. Once done recording, post your video as a reply, and that's it, your video will now appear as a response to the comment. Use video replies to answer questions, thank fans, or add a personal touch to your interactions. It can boost engagement significantly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.